Gather your materials and follow along to make these fun turkey cracker snacks to give out to kids on Thanksgiving. You need cracker packs, glue dots, red, yellow, and orange cardstock, googly eyes, and fake leaves. You can use paper if you don't have any fake leaves. Cut out the turkey's body parts from the paper and glue them on. Use more glue dots to add the eyes. Now add one leaf to the back of the crackers. Your kids are sure to love these cute turkey snacks. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.